My dad's moving in today.
Welcome to the Burrows, where you'll have the time of your life.
Ironic slogan for a place people come to die.
If you just open your heart to this place,
Yeah, baby!
you'll find the Burrows is not a last chapter. It's a new beginning.
What the hell are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna shoot something.
Wait, Judy!
There are wonders in the Burrows. Tucked away. Hidden. Buried.
It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible anymore. You see it, right?
Yes, I see it.
We're all a part of this now.
Till the end, Sam.
Which, given our ages, could be any day.